What does it mean to reassess real property? Does a deceased person's real property have to be reassessed? What are the exclusions or exemptions of a reassessment? In this video, I'm going to answer all of those questions and more. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist personal representatives and probate attorneys with estate real property. So if you are new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. The state of California recognizes a person's death as a change of ownership event, which triggers the filing of a change of ownership statement with the county recorder's office. To assess means to determine the valuation of a property for taxation purposes. Your county's tax assessor will reassess real property in order to determine if there will be a change in tax liability. During times of appreciating values, reassessment will trigger an increase in your tax liability, thus an increase in your monthly payment. If the real property qualifies for a reassessment, exclusion, or exemption, that real property's tax basis can remain the same, which is a major benefit for you. An executor or an administrator must notify the assessor's office within 150 days of the date of someone's death or prior to a probate inventory and appraisal form has been filed with the court clerk. A change in ownership statement, death of real property owner, must be filed with the county recorder's office even if the property is in a living trust. If the responsible party fails to file a change of ownership statement within the time allotted by law, there can be penalties and fees applied. Please visit the assessor's website for a checklist of documents and exemptions you will need to file along with the change of ownership statement. For example, you'll need to file a death certificate. In some cases, you'll need to file a will. In some cases, you'll need to file letters of administration and a list of heirs. And if the property is in a trust, you'll need to file a copy of the trust with its amendments and attachments along with the change statement. The following is a list of frequently asked reassessment related questions. Can real property be reassessed upon the death of the owner? Yes, even if the property is in a living trust. When does the tax assessor update the mailing address after a person has died? When that tax assessor is notified of a new deed or receives verifiable information naming an executor, an administrator, or a successor trustee as the new owner. Are parent-child transfers automatically excluded from reassessment? No. There is particular paperwork that must be filed within a particular time frame. Are there deadlines for filing a reassessment exclusion for transfers between a parent and a child? Yes. When real property passes to children or parents, must it be reassessed? Yes. However, there may be exclusions. Please check the website. Does an assessor reassess property when it passes from or between husband and wife or domestic partners? No. Is real property eligible for reassessment exclusion if it is inherited from grandparents? In some cases, yes. However, please visit the assessor's website for details. Question of the day. Have you ever inherited estate real property? If so, was it reassessed and the tax basis changed? Let us know in the comments below. Where can you get a change of ownership, death of real property ownership form? You can visit the assessor's website at assessor.lacounty.gov. This form is also available at other locations. If you've gotten value from this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, please consult an attorney. If you need an estate planning attorney, feel free to contact me for a referral.